Alright, video tour. This is 1981 Explorer 45. And I guess we'll do our on-deck tour here. So there is some leakiness in the deck. And it has a windlass. That thing looks industrial, yo. And it's got the furling jib. Yeah. That's fine. Not all is perfect. It's pretty tall. Good that we have Colin. Colin will go up there.
So I can hear the, or I can wait if not, now's not the right moment.
No, whenever it's good for you, just go ahead. So there is a window issue here, and this wall needs a little work, and there's a few things, some water coming in the decking. This is a bathroom. Engine starts right up. Batteries are in here. You kind of duck down to go through. This is the pilot berth, and this will get an enclosure here. That is a dehumidifier. This is a day fuel tank. There's various pumps, lift pumps. And there's room. This is the linkage for the steering, for the rudder. Actually looks pretty decent. Okay, so we go this way. This is the aft cabin. Really nice. This is the aft head. And I think we might turn this into a shower. Yep, and that's interesting. So, a lot of it, there's, things need work, but there's a good layout. It's gonna need numerous things.
Yeah, actually
Lights.
it takes a little bit of getting used to.